Hello everyone, my name is Dylan Nose and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Minecraft Pre-Classic and the things you can do with it. One of which is by respawning in a different place, which is done by pressing the R key on your keyboard. So here you can see a house and this is made out of planks. This is done by pressing the 4 key on your keyboard, as you can see here. This is the latest version of Minecraft Pre-Classic and it is only available in Java Edition. Sorry, Bedrock players. So here, I'm going to be showing you how to build this structure. First of all, you will need a 7x7 space, so and that's centered in the middle. So 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Right now, it's destroying blocks is done by right clicking and placing blocks is done by left clicking. So here you place a pillar here up to 3 blocks and then you build 5 blocks across and then do another pillar and do the same on the top row. When glass isn't added yet, so currently I'm unable to build proper windows, but we're going to act as if glass was in Minecraft. And then you build this pillar up here, and then you cut out here. And you copy this side here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pillar, and then across on the top. And here as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pillar. And then here you copy the same here as over here. So there, and then 1, 2, 3, place a block there. Now we need to pull out the stone, which is done by pressing the 1 key on your keyboard. By the way, just place a block here. Now you can press 1. Currently you can't fly, but we'll try and avoid flying. We'll try and avoid dropping down wherever possible. So here you carry all the way across and then 1 block off the end of the house. And we will need to break this part here so that people can get in. So right click, left click, right click, left click, right click, left click. And then just place a block so you can jump up like this. And then click that. And then go across like this. And here. And then go all the way up to the top until they meet. I am going to leave that for you guys to do. But I'm going to show you anyway because I'm kind. So here, you haven't noticed this, but you'll have to build up so that this part here is enclosed so you don't have an open part of the roof. And then you carry on the same way. Like so. Like this, so it's basically 9 blocks from one edge to the other edge. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to do the other side now. I'll teach you about those things you can see jumping about later. But right now we're building this. Here you build up. Oh, sorry. Here, press 1 again. Left click, not right click. And then here you build up so that there's not an empty part of the ceiling, like so. And then you build like this. And then up here is a peak of the roof. And I'll cap this off. So here you basically go along the top. And then build like that. And then build these sides. And then we just have this part to do. So you build up like this. I'm sure you know already. Build up like this. And then cap it off on the side. And then like that. You can add support here. And then back inside we need to do the flooring, which is also going to be stone. I'm going to show you like this. And then once I've done, I'm going to cut out the video. And then I'm going to show you the finished result after I've shown you how to build a pathway. So you basically do it 3 wide and make it out of stone. And like this. When you go downhill, go like this. And I'm going to cut out the video and then I'll come back when I'm done. So I thought that I'd show you guys how to build this structure here. Because I'm going to make another intersection into this community. First of all, let me clear out this. That should be enough. Well, I have the capability of doing more, so I'll do more. Anyway, here. First of all, in your regular area, here, make sure that there's, so in the pathway leading up to it, you need one sticking out on each side. And then, make it so that the path is like here. And repeat this on all 4 sides. Until you have something looking like this. Then pick up the birch planks on the 4 key of your keyboard. And then build a pillar 3 blocks up. And then build 1 more block up. And then surround it on all sides and corners with planks. Looking like this. And then once I've pillared up, so I need to pillar up here. Then do the same as the last step. Oh, sorry. Do the same as the last step, but then you surround it again on all sides and corners with another set of planks. And this gives it a weird appearance. Don't know what it looks like actually. And then, once I've built up, you do the same as the two steps before, or the last step, but remove a line of blocks on all sides and corners. Sorry, I'm very clumsy. So once you get up here, like this, then place one more block on the top. And it looks like this. So I'm going to cut the video out, and then I'm going to show you when I'm going to build the museum. So just for fun, I wanted to show you a very cool feature that you can in fact do. Press the G key and you spawn one of these mobs. These are called humans. Look. If I can look at them, that is. Let me spam the G key. Please note, when you exit the world and then re-enter it, it just removes all of them and starts fresh ones. Are you alright there, mate? I disappear into virtually nothing, literally. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate that you clicked on it. Please like, subscribe and share because it will help out the channel. And once again, thank you for watching.